So the minimum threshold to be able to withdraw your money every month on YouTube is supposed to be $100. But you know what? After I got monetization, it took me up to 10 good months before I got my first paycheck, and that was even less than $200. Maybe you're wondering why, how come, what actually happened? Oh yes, and that's exactly the reason I'm making this particular video, to throw more light on the mistake that I did. That's my biggest YouTube mistakes over here that got me only $117 for a whole 10 solid months. And so you see, when I got monetized, I was so happy that I've got monetized, and I was jubilating all that. But it got to the first month, I didn't have even up to let's say $20. The second month, the third, the fourth, up to the 10th month, and that is when I was able to get my first paycheck, and that's even $117. This particular video is for those who are yet to get monetization, and even those who are monetized now. Maybe you are a small YouTuber or you're a great YouTuber and you are aiming to get monetization, and so you're doing all possible things so you can get your channel monetized. Oh yeah, that's so awesome. But hey, there may be some of these mistakes I'm going to talk about that you might be doing, you might be making over there on your channel, that is actually going to affect you. Now you may not see its repercussions, its effect, but it's only when you get your channel monetized, and that is what I want to review these, so you can also stay away from them, to grow your channel so well, so that when you get monetized you can enjoy your money. The first mistake I made, that's one of my biggest YouTube mistakes, is to go in for sub for sub. Yes, I think you know what sub for sub means. This one, a lot of people have been making that simple mistake. Some people don't see it as a mistake. I was really surprised and amazed to recently watch one of the biggest YouTubers. I don't want to mention the country and the person's name too, and this, but it's a lady, it's a woman, you know. This lady was actually motivating the subscribers to actually involve in sub for sub, just like that. And I was like, wow, really? Is that how it's supposed to go? Like, you should subscribe to people's channels, they also do same to your channel, blah blah and all that? No, you see, you can subscribe to people's channel for them to also subscribe to your channel. Fine, it's quite cool, but there is a big but here. If only these people are going to watch your videos, if only they have interest in your videos. So mostly I do advise that when you want to subscribe to people's channel so they also do same for you, make sure you do that with someone who's having interest in your videos, and the same thing applies to you. Make sure you also have interest in that person's videos so that you can also continuously be watching over and over and over and over. I didn't know all these, so I was like, I joined a lot of WhatsApp platforms, and where they going in for sub, so someone will subscribe to the channel and that person also do same. We take screenshot, we show that, and a whole lot. And so within a few times I was able to get a lot of subscribers. I was having 500 subscribers. I was so happy. 1,000, I was like, wow. So I'm having 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I was so happy. It got to 2,000 and all that. I was so happy. And this channel that I'm talking about, that's actually my first channel, you understand? That's the exploration channel. Oh yes. And you know what, it got to a time I upload a video, and a channel of about 1,000, of about 2,000 subscribers, you upload a video a couple of days, or after sometimes you check, and you're not even having 50 views, you're not even having 40 views, you're not even having 100 views. And I don't want to even talk about 200 views and upwards like that. No, but a channel of 1,000, 2,000 subscribers, you can imagine. And so those inactive subscribers were actually killing my channel unknowingly. I didn't know all that. And that is one of the negative aspects of the sub for sub thing. Please, with all due respect, if you're a small YouTuber, do not go in for sub for sub. Those of you who have actually gone in for that sub for sub, I'm sure you may testify to this, that these people are not engaging on your videos, they are not watching your videos. And you see, one strategic thing about the YouTube algorithm is that the YouTube algorithm actually bases on the actions and inactions of your subscribers to either recommend your videos or not. Yes, that is it. And so I am pleading with you, if you are fond of making the sub for sub thing, please do well to stop it right now. Else, now you may not feel the repercussion I said earlier, you may not feel the heat, but sometimes to come, that is maybe after you get monetization, you'll get monetized and you are not going to get active people to watch your videos for you to get a lot of money and a lot of traffic on your videos. Oh yes, so that is my first and the biggest mistake that I did, that actually caused me a lot. And so people are not watching my videos, and you see, to be able to increase your revenue on YouTube, you know, to get a lot of views, people should be watching your videos, should be staying on your videos, retaining your videos, to increase your audience retention. Oh yes, That is actually going to help you to get more recommendations and then also to increase your revenue on YouTube. But that is the biggest mistake, one of them that I made that actually caused me a lot. Moving straight away to the next one, the next biggest mistake I made that actually also caused me over here on that my YouTube channel, that's my exploration channel, my first channel, is what we call inconsistency. Yes, inconsistency. You see, you want to check whether on that channel at Smart Explore, so you can check it out. I was not consistent. Yes, you see, travel content creation is something that's not that easy, that simple. No, you should be traveling, you understand. And you know, I work as a professional teacher as well, and so when school resumes, you can't be traveling, you understand. So I wasn't taking as a full-time. You can't be traveling. So for about the 3 months that we're going to spend within a term or within a semester, you would not be going out, so you will not be getting videos to upload. And it also cost me big time. And so my advice here is that whatever niche you create for yourself, please make sure the niche is something that you can easily be making videos wherever you find yourself. Oh yes, if the videos are basically on your outgoing, then it's going to be something else. When you are sick, when you are ill, you can't go out. When, let's say, you are hooked up at a certain job that you find yourself in, like myself as a teacher, you cannot be moving, you cannot be traveling when you are in a class, you understand. So that also caused me a lot, and so I was not consistent over there. So one thing I was doing is that when we go out, we try as much as possible to get a lot of videos, and then later we edit and we upload. And even with that one, it was not helping, because YouTube basically wants you to be active. YouTube want to see your face. YouTube want to see your content almost all the times. And so I was not consistent, and that is the reason I created this new channel, to educate you to be more consistent. When you check over here on this my channel, almost every single day there's a video. Doesn't mean you should also be doing that. You should have a pace, all right, a consistency interval for yourself. It can be twice a week, once a week, it can be 4 times a week, whatever. It depends on you. You can also be uploading every blessed day if only you can. The only thing is that you need to be consistent. You need to be showing up from time to time, you understand. So that is it, and that is the second biggest mistake I made that actually caused me. And as a result of not being consistent, I was not getting loyal viewers, I was not getting loyal audience, I was not getting the views and all that. Because it is when you are always consistent that YouTube will recommending your videos, you get a lot of views, a lot of traction, and your videos will be going viral. So if you are not consistent, after this video, please do well to be able to show up on YouTube from time to time, and it's going to help you a lot, trust me. The third mistake I'm talking about over here that I made that actually caused me over here is not being able to understand what we mean by optimization. So by then I was having no idea about what we call optimization, so we just move out. Actually, that channel is about explorations, showing the beautiful place across the country, tourist sites, and then also discovering people with special talent. And so we move out, and then we interview people, we shoot places and all that, and then after editing, we just upload without doing whatever and nothing about optimization. Yes, I have no idea about what optimization is all about. That also caused me so bountifully. Oh yes. And you see, when I started this particular channel, the tutorial channel over here, as a result of the experience I had over there, I've been able to incorporate those things, and I've been able to stop those mistakes, and that is the reason I've been able to get to this far. Oh yes, and that is the reason always I am on optimization, how to optimize your video. Don't just upload your video, don't just shoot your video, edit your video just like that and upload. No, there are certain things to do, there are certain things to make on your video. You need to change the video file name. You need to optimize it, the title, the description, and even on the thumbnail. There are a whole lot. And I wasn't having an idea about all these. That also caused me a lot, because it's when you're able to optimize your videos that you get the algorithm to understand your videos, and therefore recommend it to a lot of people. You see, as a result of this optimization, this video currently on your screen now, this video on the screen now is having 122 plus views now. More than 122,000 views, 122,000 views. Oh yes, in a couple of weeks. And this particular video is performing so well on this my channel. But over there, on that my channel, none of my videos is even having up to, let's say, 40,000 or 50,000 views. You can imagine. And so this particular channel is here to actually guide and support and assist you. You understand? Be able to learn about optimization. If you want to know more about optimization, actually I have a video of optimization at the description section. You can comment at the comment section. Let me know if you want to learn more about video optimization. I'll get you the link for you to watch right away. It's so important, and it's going to actually help you a lot. The last one I'm talking about here is buying of subscribers. After the sub for sub, actually I've told you that was the first one I talked about. The next thing was I was buying subscribers from other websites. You know, that's also another dangerous thing and another biggest mistake I made. You see, these people who are having these websites that, oh, you can buy subscribers, you get your subscribers, pay this, we get it, blah blah. They'll be able to fill that for you. 1,000 subscribers, you pay them, they will be able to do that for you. But the dangerous thing is that you may not get the right audience, you may not get the right subscribers. For all you know, maybe your channel is about kids videos, or let's say games, but these people, the subscribers they will give you, may sometimes, you may, if you are you're not even lucky, you may get bots. And sometimes you may also get subscribers who are not interested in the games that you have over there. So you get a lot of subscribers, you get thousands of subscribers over there, but you publish a video, no one watches your video. No one even clicks on your video to watch. And when your subscribers are not clicking your video to watch, it doesn't send a positive signal to the algorithm. Therefore, the algorithm would be recommending your videos, therefore killing your channel. And that was the reason I was not able to get my first month $100 threshold. And it took me up to 10 solid months to get just 117 US dollars. And it's quite dangerous. I don't want you to repeat same, and that's why I am making the particular video to help you. So if this video has actually helped you, please do what to click on the subscribe button, be part of this family, so that always you continue to get powerful tricks and hacks to also grow your YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to other people so it blesses them as well. Thank you very much. See you next time in my next video. And so if you want to get more views and more traffic from United States of America, as I've always been talking about, a lot of people have been asking me this question. I want to learn how to get more views and more traffic from the USA. Actually, in this video you can have a watch over here, and it's going to help you watch this particular video right now. It's going to help you on how to get more views and traffic from United States of America to be able to increase your YouTube earnings. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful time.